In this video, we are going to study conversion of octal number to hexadecimal number and hexadecimal to octal number system. So, let us start with the first one, that is the octal number system to decimal number system. Okay, now we'll see the steps required to convert a number from octal number to decimal number. So what we need to do first is we need to convert the octal number into the binary number. Convert octal number to binary number. Okay. Then second point. Secondly, what we have to do is we have to make a group of 4 bits. Make a group of 4 bits. Okay. And the third and last step we need to do is each group will be then converted to hexadecimal number. Each group will converted in hexadecimal number. Okay, so let us study this with an example. So suppose we have an example 3, 4, 6. This is the octal number or base 8 number, and we are going to convert this base 8 number into base 16 number. So let's see. 3, 4, 6. First we will convert it into the binary number. So 3 can be written as 0, 1, 1. 4 can be written as 1, 0, 0. Whereas 6 can be written as 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll combine these and my number becomes 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now I'll make a group of 4. This is first group, this is second group, and only 0 is left. So again we'll need to do a group of 4. So we are going to add 3 zeros over here so that it becomes a group of 4. So this 0 will be simply 0, and this will be, we can observe here, 2 to the power 0 into 0 is 0. 2 to the power 1 means 2, 2 to the power 2 means 4, and this is 8. 8 plus 4 plus 2. So this becomes 14, and 14 can be written as E. And this number will be 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2. This becomes 6. So the number we have is E6. And this is the base 16 number. Okay, so this is simply the conversion of octal number to hexadecimal number. What we have done? We have a octal number. Each digit we have converted into binary number 3, binary 3, binary 4, binary 6, and then we combine this number, and then we made a group of 4, and this group of 4 is then converted into hexadecimal number. So this is the way we can convert octal number into the hexadecimal number. Now the second thing we will study is conversion of hexadecimal number to binary number. Okay, let's see the steps required for conversion of hexadecimal to octal number. So here first what we'll do, we'll convert each digit to its 4-bit binary equivalent. Okay, convert each digit of hexadecimal number. Convert each digit of hexadecimal number. Convert each digit into 4-bit binary number. Okay. Now the second step. What will be the second step? This binary bit then will convert into the group of 3. Okay. Now first each digit will be converted into binary number, and then we'll make a group of 3-bit. Make a group of 3 bits from LSB. This is important. From LSB. Okay, and then we'll convert each 3-bit binary group into the here what we are going to do, we are going to convert hexadecimal to octal number. Okay, octal number. By mistake we had written binary number over here. So here we are converting hexadecimal to octal number, and for this what we are going to do, we are going to convert each digit into 4-bit binary number. Then we are going to make a group of 3 bits from LSB, and then we are going to convert 3-bit binary group into a octal number. Convert 3-bit binary number into octal number. Okay, so these 3 steps required for the conversion of hexadecimal to octal number. So let us do a example so that we can understand. Okay, so first is, suppose we have a hexadecimal number 3BA. Say 3BA. This is our hexadecimal number, and we are going to convert it into octal number. So first of all, we'll write a binary number for this. 3 means 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 1, or we can 0, 0, 1, 1, since we need to convert it into 4-bit. Now B is what? B is 11. So 11 can be written as 1, 0, 1, 1. See, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 means 2, 2 plus 1 3, and this is 2 to the power 8. So this will be 11. Now A is 1, 0, 1, 0. That is A is 10. Therefore, this is 2 to the power 0, 0. 2 to the power 1 is 2, and this is 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 8 plus 2, 8, 10, and 10 can be written as A. So this is my binary number. Now what I am going to do? I am going to combine this number. So the number becomes 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is the binary number now we have. Now what we'll do? We'll make a group of 3 from LSB. So this is the first group of 3. This is the second group of 3. This is the another group of 3. Okay. Then this is the another group of 3. Okay, so we are going to write the digits for this binary number. So this is 001 is 1, then 110 is 6, then 111 is 7, and 010 is 2. So this is the octal number which is equivalent to 3BA base 16. Okay, so this is the way we are going to convert the hexadecimal number into octal number system. What we had done? We had simply written the number, octal number, and the hexadecimal number, and then we had converted this hexadecimal number into the 4-bit of binary number. Then we combined this number and we made the group of 3 from LSB. We made the group from LSB, from this side. So we made the group of 3 and we just put the digit for the binary number. Okay, so this is the way we can convert the hexadecimal number into the equivalent octal number system. Okay, so now let us have one more example with point. Okay, so for this we'll have one more example, and let us try to solve this example by using the steps. So now we have, suppose 0.13e. Suppose I have this number, this is the hexadecimal number. Then what I am going to do? So 0 is 0 and 0 point, I am going to write the number 13e. Now I am going to write the binary number in the group of 4, that is 4-bit binary number. So this will be 0001 and this will be 0011, and e is nothing but 14, so it will be 1110. See, 2 to the power 0, that will be this term will be 0. This will be 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. So e will be represented as 14. Now what we are going to do? We are going to combine this number. So this number will be 0001, 0011, 1110. Now we are going to make a group of 3-bit from LSB. So how we'll make it? This is the first group, this will be the second group, this will be the third group, and this will be the fourth group. So let us write the digit for this. So this will be 0.0, this will be 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Then this term will be 7 and another term will be 6. So this will be the number in octal number system, which is equivalent to 0.13e hexadecimal number system. Okay, so with this I conclude, and we'll meet in the another video. Thank you so much.